Hi, I'm Norma, the chef here at Brooks Winery. Today we're going to be going over the perfect pairing for November. It's a braised leg of rabbit with a little bit of tomato, onion, roasted delicata squash, and some garlic braised kale. And it is paired with our 2018 Crannell Pinot Noir. So to start, we are going to make our rub for our rabbit. And it's going to be a little bit of black pepper, kosher salt, garlic powder, ground cardamom, and paprika. We're just going to kind of mix this together really well, and then we're going to lightly season our rabbit. You're just going to want to diligently season all of the legs. You're going to want to take delicata squash and just make sure that it's rinsed off, and you're going to want to cut it into about 1 to 2 inch rings, and when you do that, it'll be about this thick. Just lay the rings flat on a piece of parchment paper, drizzle with a little bit of olive oil and salt, and just a little bit of red wine just so the bottom of the pan is touched, and you'll get this nice little ring color from the Pinot. We're going to take some curly kale, which I love, and you just want to tear it into bite-sized pieces. To start the bunny, just a good amount of olive oil in the bottom of the pan. All right, just until they're golden brown. There we go. Let them go a little bit longer. Here. And while we wait, butter for the kale. These are just whole canned tomatoes, and we're going to squeeze them. So now we're going to take the Crannell and deglaze. And then to the butter, garlic, and I'm going to add a little bit of Ara. It might flame up a little bit, but maybe not. With some salt. Cool. So next, the stock, chicken stock. Go. Now, when you're ready, I'm gonna throw in some butter. And then in this pan, I'm gonna just wilt all the kale. Chive. Perfect pairing for November. Wow. Goes really, really, really well together. Very good. This is gonna be perfect for just around the holidays. Come in and visit us here. Try the perfect pairing, everything else that we have on the menu for this month. And cheers. Happy Thanksgiving.